First, select plane. Check all the planes and origin. I select top plane and sketch. Use rectangle command. Use smart dimensions. Take a dimensions 70 and 430. So exit sketch and then use extrude command. Take a dimension. Use full screen. Now I use sketch for extrude cut. I want to remove some part. I use line command. Whenever you draw something, please do fully define. Fully define means all sketch in black. Take all dimensions. Now it's all sketch are in fully defined. Exit sketch, then use extrude cut. Throughout, done. Now, what I do, I use round. It means fillet. Most of the softwares use fillet and other command is round command. But first I draw a circle cutout. I draw a circle for a cutout. I am not using a whole command. We learn step by step. Something went wrong. Just a check. Okay, 15 mm done. Now use extrude cut throughout. Okay, done. Use fillet command. I want to round edges. Select round, then select edges. I think I need all edges to round. Okay. I select one face. I want to remove it. Go select and delete it. Okay. That's good. Now show my edges. Okay, done. Isometric view, check it. Then now I want to use colors like natural color, wooden. Okay, for wooden colors, just let me check. I want to look very naturally. So give me a moment. Okay, plastic, metal. Where is wood? Yeah, wood. Okay. Just no, it's not so good. This color is also not a good. I don't like it. I want to look very realistic. So let me check all colors and then I will decide which color is better. Yeah, this is a good. Now next part, look all planes and origin, then select one plane and use sketch command. Select one plane, top plane I use rectangle command, then use smart dimension, and the sketch will be fully defined. All sketches are in black, fully defined. Also down bar shows fully defined. Use extrude command. Okay, let me check. Select plane and use sketch. I use hole. I am not using a hole command. I will teach you in another video. Just I want to fully define the sketch. Take a dimension 30 mm. Also, I will look mirror command in this video. Okay, let me do it fully defined. Okay, great. Now I use extrude cut. Use sketch. Okay, done. Extrude cut. I use mirror command. Where is mirror command? Okay. Where? Ah, here is where command. Okay, I got it. I use feature and plane. So select feature commands, feature, then select this feature, then use a plane, use part history, and use a plane. Okay. Again, it's not happen. I think. Okay. Let me check. Use a mirror. Okay. Okay. Done. Yes. Okay. Again, I use. I want to remove sharp edges, so I will use fillet command. Okay. Done. Select this edge. Okay. Okay. Select that one. Okay. I think all edges. Okay. Selected. Okay. Done. Okay. It looks like good. Very good. So now I use wooden color. Where is wooden color? Okay. Select wood. Natural wood. Okay. All here. Okay. This is not okay. Select all part. No, I don't want it. Okay. Great. Nice. It looks like very good. This is a realistic color. Yeah. Now next part. Use a one plane, front plane. Use sketch, circle. Currently we create a wheel. Okay. We use two circles. Extrude it. Mirror plane. Similar to two sides. Extrude. Now use round or chamfer. Fillet. It's not a chamfer. Okay. Yeah. This is very good. Our wheel is ready. Now again use colors, natural colors, wooden color. Let me check. No, no. Plastic, glass. Where is wood? Shit, man. Wood. Okay, I got it. No, I want to full part. Select full part. Again, double click. Okay, looks good. No, no. Okay, select those two edges. Okay, great. Our wheel is ready. Now save, Control S, wheel. Next part. Also, we next video, in another video, we assemble all parts. Now use a plane, use a sketch, circle command. Extrude it. We create a handle. Okay. Now I use round or fillet. Yeah. I say round because of most of the softwares has a special command for round and fillet. There are two different commands. So, okay. Next part color. Select all parts, whole part, and use wooden color. This is a handle. Okay, next part. As usual, use a plane and sketch. I use front right, which plane? Front plane. Okay, done. Use circle, smart dimension. Now it's fully defined. Okay. Next feature is extrude. Okay. Use coincident plane. Select any face and right click and draw sketch. Okay, done. Extrude. As usual, all edges, sharpen edges remove. Most of the time in industry we are not use sharpen edges. Okay, wooden color. This is our something like a lock for wheel. What is the exact name? Okay, I will tell you. Clog. Okay, our clog is ready. I save it. Now next part. As usual, front plane, sketch, line command. This is like rib. It's not a rib. It's okay. This is one of part our assembly. It's not fully defined. Okay, now it's fully defined. Okay, I want. Okay, this is good. Use extrude. Where is extrude? What's happened? Okay, fully screen. Features extrude. I need a mid plane or one side. Mid plane. Okay. I think it's blind. Okay, no problem. Remove sharpen edges. Use fillet command. both edges. Okay, okay, select all edges. Done. Okay, good. It looks like good, very finished material. All sharpen edges are removed. Okay, next part, I need a hole. I'm not using currently hole command. I use simply sketch, extrude and extrude cut. So after within other videos, other practice videos, we use other commands for getting simple. Okay, done. Isometric view, and now current as usual wooden color. Okay, good. Save it. Now another part. I use front plane, sketch, circle and fully define smart dimension. Extrude it. One side. Okay, no problem. This is another lock. I don't want to remove edges. Why? Because you will understand within other next video. Okay, done. One of the last part. Use front plane. Use line command. And this is our rib. Okay. So triangular. So it's not a triangular. It's this is a rectangular. Yeah. Okay. Use smart dimensions. Take a dimensions as per needed. Okay, this is fully defined. Use extrude. Okay, that's it. In next video, we use assemble commands. We use all parts to assemble in one frame. Now done. Now we use wooden color. Okay, thank you. We will meet in next video.